Imagine only paying for the miles you drive, not a penny more. No more guessing how much you'll drive in a year or paying for miles you never even use. Welcome to the future of auto insurance. Gone are the days of fixed premiums and annual renewals. Instead, we're now entering an era of pay-per-use auto insurance, where drivers only pay for the insurance they actually use. No longer will you have to estimate your yearly mileage or worry about paying for insurance when your car is parked in the garage. With pay-per-use auto insurance, your insurance coverage is based on your actual usage, which means you'll only pay for the coverage you need when you need it. This innovative approach to auto insurance is revolutionizing the way we think about insurance and how we pay for it. Fortunately, here at FreeAdvice.com, we have a free quote tool you can use to find affordable rates for the car insurance you need. Simply enter your zip code and you'll find car insurance options that meet your needs. If you're curious to learn more about pay-per-mile insurance, keep watching. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of this innovative approach, how it works, and why it's quickly becoming the go-to choice for drivers across the country. Buckle up and join us as we explore the exciting world of pay-per-use auto insurance in 2023. According to a recent report by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, Americans spent an average of 7.8 hours per day sleeping and 4.5 hours per day doing leisure and sports activities in 2020. With more people working from home and social distancing measures in place, it's no surprise that people are spending less time on the road. And while that's great news for your car's odometer, it might not be such great news for your wallet when it comes to car insurance rates. But fear not, because pay-per-mile car insurance is now here. What does pay-per-mile actually mean? Pay-per-mile car insurance, also known as pay-per-use car insurance, is an innovative way for drivers to save on their car insurance rates. With this type of coverage, you only pay for the miles you actually drive. That means insurance companies charge you based on the exact number of miles you drive rather than a standard annual average. Think of it like this. Instead of being charged a fixed monthly rate, pay-per-mile car insurance charges you based on the miles you drive. If you're someone who doesn't clock up too many miles, this could be your golden ticket to low mileage car insurance and significant savings. Plus, the beauty of pay-per-mile insurance is that it's tailored to fit your specific driving needs. You only pay for the miles you drive, so you can say goodbye to those pesky flat rate bills. How does pay-per-mile auto insurance actually work? The concept is pretty simple. The amount you pay for your insurance is based on the number of miles you drive each year. This means that your coverage is still comprehensive, including both collision and comprehensive auto insurance. But you'll only be charged based on how much you actually use per mile. So, you might be wondering how exactly your pay-per-mile rate is calculated. Well, there are a few ways insurance companies go about it. Some will charge a flat rate for every mile driven, while others may charge a higher rate for miles driven during peak hours. It all depends on the company and the policy you choose. If you're still on the fence about whether low mileage car insurance is right for you, don't sweat it. Many insurance providers offer a test drive of sorts, where you can try out the service at a reduced rate for a limited amount of time. It's the perfect opportunity to see if pay-per-mile is the right fit for your driving habits. How much will it cost you? The truth is, it depends on a variety of factors that are taken into account when calculating your rate. Your driving history, zip code, type of vehicle, and age can all affect your pay-per-mile car insurance rate. Additionally, different insurance companies may charge different rates for the same coverage. But one thing is for sure, pay-per-mile car insurance is generally cheaper than traditional insurance policies because it's only based on a monthly base rate plus a per-mile expense. For example, if your base cost is $50 per month, your per mile charge is 4 cents, and you travel 300 miles, you would spend $62 that month. It's important to remember that not all pay-per-mile car insurance companies are created equal. That's why comparing policies and finding the best deal for you is essential. At FreeAdvice.com, we're here to help you navigate the world of pay-per-use auto insurance. Our website offers an easy-to-use search tool that lets you compare auto insurance quotes from multiple providers. By comparing quotes, you can find coverage that's tailored to your individual needs and budget. We want you to feel informed and confident when making your decision, and that's why we're committed to providing you with all the options you need. So, if you're in the market for pay-per-mile car insurance, look no further than FreeAdvice.com. With our comprehensive search tool, you'll have the power to pick and choose the best option for you. But to give you an idea, here are some companies that offer this type of auto insurance. Pay-per-use auto insurance. Number 1. Metro Mile, an auto insurance company based in San Francisco, offers plans starting at just $5 per month with no hidden fees or charges. They have a mileage cap of 250 miles per day, so you won't be charged extra for driving more miles. They also have a mobile app that helps you keep track of your expenses and usage. Number 2. Esurance, one of the leading auto insurance companies in the US, also offers insurance by the mile with a mileage cap to ensure you're not overcharged. You can track your miles using their mobile app, and opting for paperless billing could earn you a discount. Number 3. Mile Auto, available in several states. Charges a low base rate and only bills you for the miles you drive. They offer discounts for good drivers, students, and seniors, and don't have any hidden fees or charges. Number 4. Nationwide Smart Miles, available in 44 states. Lets you pay only for the miles you drive with no annual or monthly fees. Their website claims that you can save more than 25% on average. Unfortunately, they're not available in Hawaii, Alaska, Louisiana, New York, North Carolina, or Oklahoma. Number 5. MileWise from Allstate. Charges you based on the miles you drive, and you can save a lot of money if you don't drive very often. The program charges a daily fee plus a per mile fee, and it's available in Washington, D.C. and 21 states. Number 6. Hugo Insurance, an online insurance company, offers pay-per-mile car insurance in several states with a simple pricing system. They have a mobile app for easy policy management and features that allow you to turn off coverage when your car is not in use. Number 7. Nobler Auto Insurance, based in San Francisco, offers personalized rates based on your driving habits and behavior. They have a mobile app to help you manage your policy and offer discounts for good drivers and low mileage. They plan to expand to more states soon. But with so many companies out there, how do you find the best one for you? Don't worry, because it's not as complicated as it seems. To start, you can use websites like FreeAdvice.com to compare rates and quotes from different companies easily. But don't stop there. It's also important to compare the features offered by each company, such as deductible amounts and coverage options. While you're at it, make sure to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions of each policy. Some companies may have restrictions on how much or where you can drive, so it's crucial to ensure that you are comfortable with the terms before signing up. By doing your research and comparing rates and features, you can find a pay-per-mile auto insurance policy that meets your needs and budget. So why wait? Start comparing and get the coverage you need today with FreeAdvice.com. Now let's quickly sum up the pros and cons of pay-per-mile car insurance. Here's what you need to know. With pay-per-mile car insurance, you'll only be charged for the number of miles you actually drive. That means more money in your pocket if you're someone who doesn't use your car often. Plus, this type of policy can save you money on your car insurance rates overall, making it a cost-effective option. On top of that, pay-per-mile car insurance provides drivers with greater flexibility compared to traditional policies. With no fixed annual mileage, you can adjust your coverage according to your driving habits, making it a great choice for those who don't drive much. However, there are a few cons to consider before jumping on the pay-per-mile car insurance bandwagon. For starters, this type of policy may not be available in some states. Additionally, there may be penalties for exceeding your allotted mileage, which could end up costing you more in the long run. And keep in mind that your insurance bill may vary each month, making budgeting and comparing quotations more difficult. So, is pay-per-mile insurance right for you? Well, this type of insurance is designed for people who don't drive very often, such as college students, remote workers, or those who have a second car at home. So if you're one of them, pay-per-use car insurance might be the perfect fit for you. If you're not sure whether you'll benefit from pay-per-mile insurance, consider this. The average American drives 13,500 miles per year, according to the Federal Highway Administration. But if you drive significantly less than that, you could save money on your insurance premiums with a pay-per-mile policy. Keep in mind that establishing a separate pay-per-mile policy for a second vehicle might be a smart move as well. That way, you can customize your coverage to your driving habits and save even more. So again, if you rarely use your car, pay-per-mile auto insurance can be an excellent option to save on your insurance rates. But before making a decision, it's important to do your homework, compare policies, and see if you qualify for any discounts. Use our free quote tool at FreeAdvice.com to find and compare car insurance quotes from several companies in your area. This will help you find the coverage you need at a price you can afford. While pay-per-mile insurance may not be the perfect fit for everyone, it's definitely worth considering if you're someone who drives less frequently. At the end of the day, it's all about finding a policy that meets your unique needs and preferences. This video might be almost over, but the insurance fun doesn't have to stop. You'll be blown away by the valuable insights and tips we have to offer. And while you're there, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching our video about pay-per-use auto insurance, and we'll catch you at our next one.